Hello, my name is Sheikh Abdul Rafiq, and I'm from Khammam, Telangana. I recently completed a 45 days IT internship from eVision Technoserve Private Limited, and it was a very valuable and experience for me. The training program was well structured and covered with all the important modules and the topics such as networking, visualizations, Windows administration, Windows Server, CCNA, ITIL, Office 365, Linux, cybersecurity, and many more. And each topic was explained in a simple, clear, and a practical manner, which made it easy to understand even as a beginner. The recorded sections were very helpful because I could learn at my own pace and revise whenever I needed. The trainers were very acknowledgeable, supportive, and always explained the concept with the real-time examples and scenarios, which created a perfect balance between the theory and hands-on practical. And I'm also so happy to share that I have recently joined the Progressive Infovision Private Limited, working from the client Deloitte with a package of 2.6 LPA. And I would like to thank the entire eVision team for the continuously support and the guidance throughout my IT career journey. Thank you.